Hello everyone, my name is Adira Mesha Sabila, and here my group and I, Ali and Aisa, will carry out the assignment from Mrs. Fatin by making a 12 to 15 minute video. And here the theme of our group video assignment is to the first impression of each others. Me, Ali, and Aisa are from the same class and are now my close friend on campus. And my first impression of Alia Nazmi was that the first time I knew her in class, she was a quiet person and didn't want to hang out with others. Alia and Aisa were always together and always isolated themselves, always wearing masks and the definition of butterfly students. In my opinion, Alia Nazmi has her own characteristics, namely in her eye-catching eyeliner is like any makeup. When we first met, we rarely talked. She was very introvert, and we start to get close at the beginning of semester 2. Me, Alia, and Aisa start to get close when we were in canteen because our conversation were connected and fun too. And from there we can be close until now. My opinion about Alia Nazmi for now, she's turned out to be very frontal, and she is beautiful and not bored because it turns out that Alia has Arabic descent, but her nature is descended from Ciamis girl. And now she rarely wears a mask, so her beauty is more visible. And for me, the volume of her voice when she speaks up is so high until it makes people who are noisy to be quiet listening to her voice. And I salute to Alia because she is very brave to speak up about the course or from the conversation that we often do. She's like definition of someone who is blown when she's talking. And my first impression of Aisa, the first time I knew her, she was more quiet than Alia. Until wherever Alia went, she always followed Alia. And in my opinion, Aisha is very naive person because she is too kind. She's very quiet, but once she gets close to her, she's fun too, and you wouldn't expect to know Aisha differently from what we see. She is very quiet in class and rarely conversation, but outside of class, she talks about everything. She can't keep quiet. He's hyperactive and hilarious. She's a bit of weeboo, but there's also coquette because she's very fashionable and all her outfits are saucy and feminine in style. She likes to play Ome TV and her type of the main who wears glasses and is taller than her. And that's probably my first impression of Alia Nazmi and Aisa Adainia. And thank you. Bye.
Hi, I'm Alia Nazmi. I'm known as Alia. So, after hearing first impression to each other from Adira and Aisa, and this is my turn to give them first impression too. So I'm and Adira and Aisa. We are the three of us is in the same class. So my first impression to Adira first. My first impression to her is that she's really friendly and easily to make a friend with each other, not only in class. And then, on in the early days of college, she already has many friends, and I know Dira from before entering the college. At the moment, I'm chatting with Adira about college registration, and it turned out that I'm and Adira in the same class, and then I think there's a moment that I kinda dislike her because at that moment I asked her to wait for me. I a little forgot, but I uh I asked her I asked her to wait for me, but then he didn't wait for me. He go with her circle. He always with her circle from another class, and that's the reason I kind of dislike her at first. But now that doesn't matter anymore because she's my best friend too, one of my best friend too. And for now, she become one of my best friend in the college, as you guys know. And the more I know Dira is, uh, the more I understand that she is very independent person, I think. And I think that's because she is the first child. She's a sister. She has a I think she has two or three little sister or little brother. I don't know. I forgot about that. And that's what make her look independent. And she is uh what a kind of person. I think she's a kind person. The more I know him, and uh, I hope that Dira can lean her shoulder more on us as me as her best friend. I wish that he would put lean her shoulder more on us and any other friends. That's my impression of Dira. And then next to Aisa. And my first impression to Aisa is I think when I first met Aisa, she was very very quiet. I'm so sure that she is someone who has a very quiet personality, introvert and introvert. And then she's not good at socializing with other. And it just so happened that our house were so close together in Cijera town. We are in the same town, and that's what made me and Aisa even closer. We are uh, we are connect, and I think we are on the same frequency, and our chats connect to each other with each other. And me and Aisa were friends only together, only the both of us in the first semester, only me and Aisa. I don't have any other friends in class. We just the two of us before meeting Adira and the other friend. She was the only friend in the class at the time. But now I see Aisa is getting better at talking and at socializing with other, and I'm very proud when Aisa start making friends with others. As a friend, I'm really happy when he chat or talk or make friends with the other. Uh, I think that's all I can say to you guys about first impression to Aisa and Adira, to my two best friends. That's all. Thank you for listening.
So, after hearing everything from Adira and Alia, finally the last one is from me. I'm Aisha Adha, and this is my first impression towards Alia and Adira. My first impression of Alia was Vici. She was my first friend on campus, and I didn't think that someone as bitchy as Alia would become my friend. We just get along naturally, and it turns out we come from the same place and have a lot in common, such as like anime and comics or
everything. So we have a lot of same conversation when I'm with her. When we get to know her, she is pleasant and far from the first impression that we see. Alia is kinda dangerous and she doesn't hesitate to put any words out of her mouth. So be careful if you have problems with her. In my opinion, her character like that makes her popular towards guy because she looks fierce but makes the guys curious too. She is also very extroverted and has friends everywhere. So I was like adopted by her since we have different MBTI and I will follow her everywhere at first. I think Alia is very sassy because she very brave, and maybe the last one is that Alia is a true weebu and really likes reading comics. And boys loves. She also has Arab blood in her, so she definitely likes men who have Arab blood. And maybe that was my first impression of Alia Nazmi. And then the last is my first impression of Adira Maisha was the first time I met her. She was an energetic person and also friendly and easygoing. She say hi to everyone. In my opinion, Dira is perfect. She is very friendly and smiles easily. When we get to know her, she is also pleasant and somewhat like still innocent. Her overly friendly and innocent nature sometimes make her not feel that people are taking advantage of her and being mean to her. The character that we know when she on campus is somewhat different from the original because on campus she likes to smile and happy, but she is still very fragile and vulnerable. She kept her pain to herself, and I think Dira is cool because her tall and thin body makes her suitable for any style, and she has a great taste in fashion. And maybe the last one is that she likes men who have positions like military men or policemen. And maybe that's my first impression of Alia Nazmi and Adira Maisha. See you.